wow. Let's see. This is working. Let's see if I can get the J created here. Yes, I got the J created here. See if that works. J created doesn't work. Let's see if the two things come down. Off. J create again. Then you can create maybe for work or something. It doesn't work. Put this on the curves. This, okay. Stop recording and that's it. Now I want to minimize all of that. You put the lanyard on. Set it on the elevator. That's what's on. Now I want to put quickly my head mount and my goggles. I don't remember what the goggles are. My Hawaiian shirt. No goggles. This side is broken. And produce these goggles to make me all set. They don't always work. And now it starts blinking, which means that it is working. So now I want to connect it to my Hawaiian shirt. Put the battery back. Now, I'm going to run it through my back here. Now, connect it to my goggles to make them last a little longer. I'll show you this is working, which it does. On the top of it, I'm going to put my head mount, like so. And on top of that, oh, I forgot to put my lanyard. So now I want to put quickly my lanyard on. I'm going to put my back. So, strap it the second leg to my back. Go to the shirt. Shirt, put it there. Now I want to take my phone, turn it on. camera in the video, then drop it in my lanyard, and then tighten up the knobs, strap it with a rubber band, turn on the flash, finally I want on first thing that I need to do is I need to connect it to the external power bank. Make sure that it is fully circuited, 100% fully charged. Then I'm going to put it on my head, right side, lower that part, and then press the button to get it on. Let's see if I can get it to work. It seems like there is a problem with this device. Then when it doesn't work, we'll busy with it for a while. So what I want to do, make sure it is fully circuited, and then hold down the button here, and keep it to press and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. And then release and pray. And I can see that this doesn't work too well. I don't know why. I can just leave it on and pray and hope that it will work later on. Right now the goggles are still working. My shirt is still working. So with all of this still working, what I can do is just wait for the head mount to work. The battery and the power are all messed up. So try to press it yet again one more time and hope that it will come back to life, which it doesn't. So what we can do is let it sit there and hopefully charge enough so it can start working. In the meantime, I'm going to wrap up my notes here. Minimize one camera. Close the minimize the other one. And minimize this one. I'm all ready to go. I'm preparing for this guy.
Don't wear the thing on your head.
Don't worry about it.
Don't wear the thing on your head and let's go.
It doesn't work anyway. Stop.
Okay,
Stop.
then what's with the light?
What line?
I asked you to help me with the groceries and you're
Okay.
fussing with that.
I would do it.
Don't care. I'm working and you're smoking.
Okay, let's go. third guy from the
guy that's on the board.
Oh, gone.
What?
He's gone, I said.
What do you mean he's gone?
He's mentally gone.
Yeah.
He has Alzheimer's or some other problem.
Born around the neighborhood. So I thought it was Xfinity, you know?
Oh, yeah, right.
It looked like he didn't know where he was going.
Yeah, he's all disoriented and he's not sure he's going or coming.
And then all of a sudden he said, oh, I think I got two buses. Because I'm done. I can remember hearing that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden he saw me and I guess they tried to let them out.
Mm-hmm.
How do you, the same thing, but $7 at Amazon, it's $13 in public.
Fine.
So it's a price for them.
Does. Is it? He will call you, this guy from Xfinity. Probably took another job, you
Yeah,
understand?
probably took somebody else that was able to see him. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and
Had I
then
knocked on shopping, I would have said come too. You know what I mean?
and then they get stuck, you know what I mean? They have some issue.
But I know he's around. You know
Yeah, so you know that he will be coming.
So,
Okay, now review additional details.
I'm gonna go shoot him in
Review
and then
additional
I'll put away the
details.
food.
And I want to see how many steps, 123 steps, wow. And now all of a sudden, real work started working. So now the real work started working all of a sudden. Start to know edit comment. My camera. Record video. File save. So now what we want to do is look at what has expired and try to deal with it. So I want to go to my client, open up, and use full screen, go to the Gmail, and look at what is in trouble here, and that is one USA chatbot. I've been updating that, so it is no longer will expire. And now I want to take another one and see what that is. Mark day trade. Okay, so we will go to mark day trade, copy to the clipboard buffer, then Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer. And then I want to open up my notepad that was dealing with one chat bot before. And we're going to go to the top of this notepad all the way, hit a few enters, and edit paste the new file where I got a message, and I'm going to separate it by less than sign at the top and greater than sign at the bottom. And then file save again. Now I'm going to copy mark day trade to the clip buffer, edit copy. And then I want to open another instance of Gmail and try to log into that. So I'm going to pull down the various options and scroll down to the very bottom. Then I want to say another account, add another account, then the very bottom again, and use another account. Then I want to paste, Control V, mark day trade, and then go into it, and next, and next, home address, skip, not now. Okay, and then I want to delete some of the outdated emails. So I select all of them, and then I select the delete button. Can you help me by repeating what I say, please? Thank you. So now I'm going to go to enter 800 chat GPT. What we have done yesterday, I'm doing it again with another account. Did you hear me? So I'm clicking the, I'm click, I'm, what was not delivered? I'm going to go to the next voice. Now that I got to voice, I want to delete.
They say he's here.
He's here already?
They said, let me go around. Fine, I'm trying to get to the
Such a
Xfinity.
loser, you
I
cannot learn.
can't. I'm trying to get in touch with
Don't get it, he
Xfinity.
will come here.
No, they say he's here already. He's having
Fine,
problems.
so let him have problems. You gave him the address, let him search it. Just put the name address.
trying to put away the food.
The hang up on property.
Listen, you can just do it. Instead of helping me, you just, see, I'm putting away food.
Just press record.
Wait, I don't want record, I want to listen to
Fine,
them.
nothing to listen to. You were fine. You already told them 100 times.
I didn't tell them any time.
Never mind. Let me handle it.
She's talking.
She's talking. She's smoking.
What? She's talking. What
Fine,
do you
I'm listening to her. Die. Angelina, disconnected to your bag.
I'm putting away the food for food.
Don't put anything away.
Why not? That's two.
What do you mean from screen
I
control?
don't know. I don't know, they called
Just
me.
wear it and turn the recorder on and don't listen.
Don't
It's
respond to
enough
them.
for it. No, respond, or you talk at the same time.
I didn't talk to them.
Let him come the next day. Stop it already.
I'm trying to put away food.
Fine. Press the...
No.
Meeting snake.
Okay, so wind up. Hang up. Hang up. Hang up.
Stop already.
Hang up.
Press.
Hang up.
Stop talking so much crap.
Hang up. Hang up.
Fine, I
Hang
heard
up.
you. Be quiet.
I asked you to hang up.
I said fine.
I said
No.
no, hang up. Hang up the phone.
Don't you just stay away.
I asked you to hang up the phone.
Stop it already. Fine, I heard you.
Hang up. Give me the phone. When you record, I can't hear him calling
Hang
you.
up. Stop the nonsense. You're working for
Hi, I'm
Xfinity.
Affinity. I can.
You're working for Xfinity or us?
No, I'm trying to hang up to you.
Don't hang up or stop hustling.
I'm hassling you.
It's
You're in
enough.
the phone.
Hustle the all day long.
Hello.
Hi Eric, how are you?
Please specify the topic or question you'd like to discuss.
Tell me about operating systems.
An
Hi,
operating
I'm
system OS is
ChatGPT,
software
an
that
AI
manages
assistant.
computer
Just so
hardware
you
and
know,
software
our
resources and
conversation may
provides
be
calming
reviewed for
services for
safety.
computer
By
programs.
continuing this call,
Key functions
you agree
include
to OpenAI's
1.
terms and privacy
Controls
policy.
processes in the
So,
system,
how can I
including
help you
scheduling
today?
and execution. 2. Manages the
Sorry, I
computer's
didn't...
memory, including allocation and delocation. 3. Organizes and controls data storage and retrieval. 4. Manages device communication via drivers. 5. Provides a way for users to interact with the computer, either through command line or graphical interfaces. Common examples include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix.
It sounds like you're describing an operating system. Did I get that right?
Yes, that's correct. I provided an overview of what an operating system is and its key functions. If you have specific aspects you'd like to explore further, let me know.
Absolutely. Feel free to ask about any specific aspects, and we can dive deeper into them.
What specific aspect of operating systems would you like to explore further? Options include types of operating systems, architecture, security features, or recent developments.
Let's talk about security features in operating systems. They're crucial for protecting data and ensuring only authorized users can access the system. Interested in hearing about some specific security features?
Key security features in operating systems include 1. Verifies user identity through passwords, biometrics, or multi-factor authentication. 2. Manages permissions and rights for users and processes, often using role-based access control (RBAC). 3. Protects data at rest and in transit using algorithms to make data unreadable without decryption keys. 4. Monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. 5. Intrusion detection and prevention systems (IDPS). Monitors systems for malicious activities and can take action to prevent breaches. 6. Isolates applications to prevent them from affecting the rest of the system. 7. Ensures the OS is up to date with security patches to protect against vulnerabilities. These features work together to enhance the overall security posture of the operating system.
So what about the differences that I need to know, new things that are happening in
Please.
hardware along with AI?
Recent developments in hardware include 1. Specialized processors like PUs and TPUs that enhance machine learning tasks and AI workloads. 2. Advances in quantum processors, such as those from IBM and Google, which promise exponential speedups for certain computations. 3. 5G technology, improved connectivity and speed, enabling new applications in and mobile computing. 4. Developments in non-volatile memory technologies like 3D NAND and MRAM, enhancing speed and storage capacity. 5. Increased use of edge devices to process data closer to the source, reducing latency and bandwidth use. 6. Focus on low-power chips and sustainable computing practices to reduce environmental impact. If you want to dive deeper into any specific area or combine it with operating systems, let me know.
It says your appointment is now canceled.
Cancel the appointment?
No, they said you didn't pick up the phone, and I'm assistant, how can I, we're sorry, we missed you, your appointment is now canceled.
Call them again.
Yeah.
Don't use that one. Call them on this one.
Well, okay.
Please specify the topic or question you would like to continue discussing, and I will provide the relevant information. Please provide more context or specify the topic you would like to discuss.
Tell me about problems with Xfinity. My cable box is going bad, and the technician got lost.
If you're experiencing issues with your Xfinity cable box, common problems include 1. Poor signal strength can cause interruptions or a complete loss of service. This can occur due to weather, physical obstructions, or wiring problems. 2. Sometimes, the cable box may freeze or fail to respond due to software bugs. A restart often resolves this. 3. Issues with the internet connection can affect streaming services and on-demand content. 4. If the remote isn't working, it could be due to dead batteries or pairing issues. 5. If a technician is delayed or lost, it's best to contact Xfinity's customer service for updates. If you need assistance with a specific issue, let me know.
Para español, marque 9. Enter or say the zip code where you have or want service.
33146.
Sorry. Enter or say the zip code where
You're welcome. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
enter. Sorry, I didn't find an account based on your zip code. Let's try this. I'll need a phone number or account number to look you up. Which would you like to use? Or if you're going to sign up for new service, say new customer.
New customer.
Are you calling to activate equipment you recently received?
Please clarify the topic or question you would like to discuss, and I will provide the necessary information.
Sorry. If you
Technical support.
Technical support typically involves assisting customers with troubleshooting, resolving issues, and providing guidance on products or services. Key aspects include 1. Identifying the root cause of a problem through questioning and analysis. 2. Providing users with step-by-step instructions to resolve common issues. 3. Using software tools to access the customer's device for direct troubleshooting. 4. Maintaining a repository of articles and fact for self-service support. 5. Referring complex issues to higher-level support or specialized teams when necessary. 6. Ensuring clear and effective communication throughout the support process. If you need more specific information or have a particular aspect in mind, let me know.
customer account executives are currently assisting other customers. Please remain on the line and your call will be answered in the order received.
They put me online and they don't answer, and I have to wait for the technician. Tell me, what else can I do with this situation?
In this situation, here are some steps you can take. 1. If you're in a queue for support, check if there's an estimated wait time or if you can request a callback. 2. If available, switch to live chat support on the Xfinity website or app as it may provide quicker responses. 3. Reach out to Xfinity through their official social media channels like Twitter or Facebook for assistance. 4. Visit Xfinity's community forums to see if others have experienced similar issues and found solutions. 5. Explore the Xfinity support website for troubleshooting guides or fact that may address your issue. 6. If urgent, consider visiting a nearby Xfinity store for in-person assistance. 7. Keep a record of your interactions, including times and details of conversations, in case you need to escalate the issue later. If you need further assistance or specific guidance, let me know.
Thank you for continuing to hold. Your call is important to us. Please remain on the line and your call will be answered by the next available customer account executive.
Just be quiet. Don't help, don't hurt. Just shut up, please. told you stay here. I'll go look for them. You think what?
He left already because they said they canceled.
Doesn't matter. Left schmef. So you'll start it again.
Okay, we're starting a message. Your appointment, reply appointment to reschedule. Okay.
Reschedule it for now.
Yeah.
To reschedule your
Hi,
appointment
it's
with
ChatGPT.
Xfinity,
This
follow
call
these
may be
steps.
reviewed for
1.
safety.
Log
On
in.
the phone.
Please clarify what specific information you would like me to review for you. This could pertain to your appointment, troubleshooting steps, or another topic.
Yes, let me talk to my assistant. Here she is. You canceled my appointment by mistake, and I want you to renew the appointment. The technician is here, and he wants to service me, and somebody disconnected the phone and canceled the appointment. Can you please track this appointment and enable the technician to deal with the problem? Let me give you
Sure.
let me give you the number. The number is 843 area code 779-2426, and please renew the appointment on Sunday between 1 and 3. The technician got lost at the beginning, and he now is trying to renew the appointment to come here.
I'll do my best to help with that.
I'm unable.
I'll try to secure. I'll confirm that for you. Please hold on a moment.
Have your account number first. Can I have your account number?
I don't know my account number.
Unfortunately.
I gave you my telephone number. You should type his telephone number and you'll get the account number.
Oh yeah, sure. Can I
I'll use the phone number
I'm
you
unable-
provided to look up.
I have
I'll handle it
another
and
technician.
update you
Let me
soon.
talk to your manager.
Just a bit more.
It is becoming too much of a hassle. You know what I mean?
I understand your frustration. Let's sort this out so it's hassle-free. I'll get back to you shortly with a solution.
allow me just to double check this one so that I can at least help you on this? Okay?
Yeah, and quit
If you're
quit jerking me like this. Already you canceled the appointment and renewed the appointment 10 times. It's enough. And he said that the appointment is scheduled between 1 and 3, and now it is 1:30. There is already an hour and a half left, so don't quit and don't cancel the appointment. Let me talk to your manager. I'm fed up with your services already. I'm spending thousands of dollars on you, and you keep messing up with this appointment. I'm sick and tired of it.
I understand
I
your
understand your
frustration. Let me. Thank you for your patience. I'm connecting you to a manager now.
And give me your name and your employment and your number so I can complain about you. Don't waste my time with garbage and nonsense. Find my order and restate it so the technician can fix the problem.
My guidelines won't let me help with that. Can I help you with something else? I can't provide personal details, but I'm here to. I get it. If you'd like to end this call, just let me know.
What is your name and your employee number?
My guidelines
I cannot
prevent me
provide-
from sharing. All right, take care. Thanks for chatting.
I'm
Goodbye.
waiting for you.
The technician appointment that you're
Tell me your name, please. Your name and your number. Are you in the Philippines? Where are you?
Yes, I am from the Philippines.
Okay.
And, my name is Angie, actually.
Spell your
I cannot
name.
provide personal.
Spell your name.
It's Angie.
Spell your name.
A-N-G-I-E.
A
I cannot
G what? I-E?
Yes, that's my name.
I-E? Okay, for now we'll call you NG Philippines, okay?
Okay, so with this one, since I really wanted to help you on this technician, I will be needing to fully access.
If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know, and I'll provide the information you need.
The phone number associated to your account.
Yes, the phone number is as follows. Area code 843. Please repeat it, Angie.
843.
The phone number is
779
840.
779
If you need
2426.
assistance with something specific regarding the
426. Okay, give me one
phone number or any related issue, please provide more context or details, and I'll do my best to help you. Please provide more context or clarify what you need assistance with, and I'll be happy to help.
Okay, your name is Avi Rushinik, correct?
Yes, Angie, correct.
Okay, can I verify your current service address right now?
Yes, verify my address.
1152.
What is it?
1152 Catoro Avenue, Coral Gables, Florida 33146. Repeat it, please.
Okay, thank you so much for that confirmation. I got it here.
The address is 1152 Cataro Avenue, Coral Gables, Florida, 146.
Send a 6 verification code to your mobile number. Once you receive it, provide it back to me, okay? It's sent
Okay,
right now.
let's go. Give you a code.
There you go.
Please clarify what you would like to discuss or what assistance you need, and I'll be ready to help.
86917. Repeat the number.
Okay, it's 86917.
No.
The number is 817.
8
68917.
Please provide the correct number or clarify what you need, and I'll assist you accordingly.
Yes, I got it here. I will
Okay.
successfully verifying your account. So
Okay.
now,
If you have any further questions or need assistance, please let me know how I can help.
an appointment that was supposed to be scheduled to visit you today, right?
Yes,
What is the time again?
the time was 1 to 3 and you canceled the appointment at 1:30.
And we were here.
I understand your concern regarding the appointment cancellation. If you need assistance in rescheduling or addressing the issue, please let me know how I can help. Please specify what you would like to hear about, and I'll provide the information or assistance you need.
You a ticket number for this technician appointment?
No.
No.
They just said that they can't.
So let me check. And when did you set it up, this technician appointment, Avi?
It was ready 2 days ago.
About 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
Yeah, more than 3 days ago, and it was set up at the beginning to, I think, Thursday, and then reset to Friday
No, it
or
was set up.
Saturday, and then reset to Sunday. What are you canceling an appointment? You said that the appointment is 1 to 3. At least wait until 3 before you cancel it.
I understand your frustration with appointment changes and cancellation. It's important to address these issues directly with customer support for clarification and to ensure the appointment is properly rescheduled. If you need help with how to contact them or any other assistance, please let me know.
Since I noticed here you have internet and cable service, for what specific services this technician for?
The box
For
is
your
bad.
internet or cable?
The cable,
Cable.
the cable and the box is bad. So when you turn on the television, it is full of snow. You understand? Snow on the screen.
But
The,
he
and the
called,
box is bad, and the technician called me. He said that he was right here, and then you canceled it on him, and he has to go back to his house and come back here. You are jerking both of us, the technician and us. We stayed here at home,
especially
especially for him, and now you are going to jerk me again, and in the middle of the time slot, cancel it. What is going on with you?
I understand your frustration regarding the technician's visit and the issues with the cable and box. It sounds like a significant inconvenience, especially after waiting for the appointment. I recommend contacting customer support directly to express your concerns and seek a resolution, including rescheduling the technician's visit. If you need guidance on how to proceed, please let me know.
I want to speak to your supervisor.
I understand your request to speak to a supervisor. However, as an AI, I cannot transfer calls or connect you to a supervisor. I recommend reaching out to customer support directly for assistance with your concerns. If you need help finding the contact information, please let me know.
Record button, and that's it. Stop fussing with everything else. 5 minutes, you cannot do the simplest job. I would have fired you a million times.
fire me.
Loser.
You can fire me.
Doesn't stop talking trash, and when I ask you to chat, with an AI, you are mum.
Before this one, how are you like speaking with someone, just in case? Earlier.
What do you?
Before you speak with me, are you like speaking with someone earlier?
I was
Like
speaking.
other
No, she
representative?
heard about you.
No, I didn't speak with any representative. Please reschedule it and don't waste our time. And let's go already.
Yeah, so I'm actually already communicating with our dispatch team, and I'm actually escalating this again. I really do acknowledge your situation, most especially if it happens multiple times already. So with this one, we will be looking for the best available time here so that we can reschedule it. And this time, I'm gonna make sure this will be really gonna go through because I will be going to provide you the ticket number. Okay? So
Give me a ticket.
since I will
Give
be
me give me a
escalating,
ticket.
yes,
Give me a ticket number and a case number. And I'm fed up with this
yes, later
jerky.
on.
You cannot even do the simplest thing to schedule an appointment properly and not mess it up. And every 5 seconds, you create another problem. It is also, all you have to do is bring the technician and swap the cable boxes and be done with it. And from such a stupid thing that they should take 5 minutes, you're wasting my time, the technician time, and the resources of the company with full of nonsense and irrelevant talk. Give me a case number so I can track it down and account for this mess that you have.
Yeah, I'm actually already communicating with our dispatch team so that we can request for the earliest available time, okay? For your technician appointment to reschedule it. So please, I'm still waiting for our dispatch team response. They are still reviewing every information that I provided to
Tell them
them
we were at home.
since I explained what happened, okay?
I wanted to write another note. The appointment was from 1 to 3. So at 12 he calls me and he said that he wants to come, that is right next to our residence. The appointment was 1 to 3, not 12 o'clock. Your whole scheduling system is messed up. You said 1 to 3, let him come at 1 o'clock, at 1.
And he said he would come back at one.
And he said he will come back at 1 and somebody in your dispatch center canceled the appointment because some other idiot had disconnected the line. I have also 2 phones on order and 2 new services. Don't mess up with me. I'm sick and tired of your poor service. And between you and the United States and the Philippines and the dispatch and Xfinity and Comcast, one hand doesn't know what the other hand is doing.
Okay, so again, given the situation that you've been through, we do understand, even if we are on your shoe, we would definitely feel the same as well. So what we can do here, since it has been canceled, as you mentioned, we are already working on it. We are communicating with our dispatch team, and we are actually escalating the situation to them so that we can request for a rescheduled time for your technician appointment, okay? So right now, they are already reviewing every information. They are just asking for one moment. They are already looking for the availability, okay? Thank you.
And tell him to quit rescheduling and messing with it. Just leave it alone.
Hi, it's ChatGPT. This call may be reviewed for safety. How can I help?
Hello.
And schedule it between this time slot. I'm here and I'm waiting for the technician between 1 and 3 East Coast time.
Got it. Great. What's the technician coming to fix?
We are
Please
already
provide more
communicating
context or
with our
details about the
dispatch team,
technician's
okay?
visit.
So I am just waiting now for the
Oh,
response.
the technician's there. I'll let you go then.
And I went outside. The technician is not here yet. I don't know where he is. and tell the technician to call us directly, and if he gets lost, let me tell him where it is.
Let's talk directly.
Gotcha. It's a good idea to have the technician call you directly. That way, you can guide them to your location.
If the technician is delayed, you might want to check the scheduled appointment time or contact the service provider for an update. Ensure your phone is on and accessible so they can reach you easily.
Good point. Making sure your phone is on and accessible is key. Hopefully, the
The
technician will
same
call
contact
soon.
number.
What number? Tell us.
The number is area code 843-779-2426. And another number, a second number, is 669-247-6736. And
Okay,
a
so you-
third number is area code 949-666-7324.
Got it. So your first number with Sure. and the second
Is
number
it-
with area code 949 is 667-4439. Perfect.
Okay.
To clarify, your numbers are 1. 843-779-2426.2, 669-247-6,736.3, 949-667-4,439. Is that correct?
Did you
Perfect.
get the numbers?
Yes, I did.
All right. What else can I help you with?
So I gave you 3 different numbers. And when one number gets disconnected, you can call the second and the third number and quit canceling and making a mess with his appointment.
Got it. You
It's a good
provided
strategy
3
to have
different numbers. If one gets disconnected, you can be reached at the second or third. No worries. I won't mix them up.
That's a solid plan. Keeping those numbers organized will help ensure that you can reach the technician without any issues. If you need further assistance or have other questions, feel free to ask.
Absolutely. If you need anything else, or if other questions pop up, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Thank you. If you have any specific topics or questions in mind, feel free to ask.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Don't worry about the noise from the computer. It's my AI talking. Do you understand?
No worries, pretty chatty. Thanks for chatting.
Yes, I understand.
Goodbye.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just ask.
Did you understand what I said, Angie?
Please provide more context or details about what was said.
What did you hear from the dispatch desk?
Hello, Mr. Avi.
I don't have information about the dispatch desk. Please provide details or context for clarification.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Connie. I'm one of the technical supervisor from Xfinity.
So
Please specify the next topic or question you would like to address.
how can you not get the dispatch desk working properly? I gave you 3 telephone numbers, and one got disconnected, and because of that you cancel an appointment. The time now here is 10 minutes to 2, and the appointment was supposed to be between 1 and 3. So what idiot goes and cancels the appointment immediately? You cannot run a desk, dispatch desk that a 4-year-old can run. For that I pay you a fortune. I have internet service, I have TV service, and I have mobile service. And I was your customer for 50 years and you start screwing around with me?
It sounds like you're experiencing significant frustration with the dispatch service and appointment management. I recommend contacting the service provider directly to express your concerns and seek a resolution. If you need assistance with how to approach the conversation, let me know.
And all it is you need to swap the boxes. That takes 5 minutes at the most.
If swapping the boxes takes only 5 minutes, it would be helpful to communicate that to the technician or service provider. This can expedite the process and ensure your services are restored quickly. If you need assistance with anything else, let me know.
So what did you find, Connie?
Please provide more context or details about what you're referring to with Connie.
Can you hear me, Connie?
Hello, Abby?
Yes.
Please
Yeah, hi. This is Connie again.
Please let me know how I can assist you further. Please clarify your question or provide more context so I can assist you effectively.
So you already have an appointment for tomorrow, sir, between 8 and 10?
No, I don't want tomorrow. I cannot be here.
I want
Make me
today.
an appointment. If he's right
I
now.
totally understand that, sir, but upon checking here, that's
To make an appointment right now, please contact your service provider directly. Provide them with your availability and request an immediate appointment.
Why
If
can't
you
I
need
not
help with
come
what to
today?
say,
Why can
let
they
me know.
not come today?
I was here.
I just spoke to him. He was 10 minutes from my house.
Why can he not come?
If the technician... Please clarify your question or provide more context so I can assist you effectively.
About the automated system that I'm hearing on the background. That's why I cannot hear you correctly.
Don't worry about the automated system. He's a AI chatbot. He just listens and he repeats what you say. So tell me, what is the status?
Yes, sir. So upon checking here regarding about the appointment, we've been.
I don't have access to real-time information about your service status. For the most accurate update, please contact your service provider directly.
Okay.
If you need assistance with how to phrase your inquiry,
Let me hang him up, okay? Just a second. Okay, done. So you wouldn't hear him anymore. So tell me, why can you not schedule an appointment between now and 3? I'm already waiting here the whole day for him.
And he contacted me.
And he contacted me. What idiot in your dispatch desk has disconnected it?
We never.
Yeah, that's right. I did see it here, by the way, sir, and I do apologize, by the way, for that. We should not be treating our customers with this type of situation, right? So as you mentioned, the technician did visit or call you, right?
No, he did not visit.
He did not visit. He said that he got lost.
He didn't say that.
He said that he was 10 minutes away and he's coming. And all of a sudden, you send me some text that the appointment was canceled. He never made it here.
I never saw him.
You are asking people to stay here from 1 to 3, and people make special arrangement and cancel whatever business they have, and then you cancel it in the middle. At least wait until 3 before you cancel it. What idiot cancels the appointment?
I just want to ask, by the way, sir, if the technician called you to cancel it?
No.
No, he didn't call me. He called me to tell me that he's coming.
Got it, but the technician didn't show up at all.
Right.
No, he didn't reach it because you're sending cancellation before that.
Then I got a cancellation.
All right, possibilities that the technician did cancel it on their part. I do.
It doesn't matter, but you control the technician. You set up an appointment between 1 and 3, and if this technician cannot make it, send another technician,
And then call us.
and then call us.
Okay. I understand that. That's why I'm trying to create a new appointment for you so that we will get the same technician. Because if
No, that's not
will
about
be
that.
trying to.
I don't want to get a new technician. I never had. The appointment, listen to me now. The appointment, Connie, was set up from 1 to 3. You understand? 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. And then he called the 12 saying that he doesn't have that, saying that he doesn't have that much business and he can come earlier at 12, but we were tied up at 12. So we told him, stick to the appointment. So he said, fine, I'll come back at 1. And then after a few minutes, at 1:15 or 1:30, I got a cancellation.
And he has my number. Have that same.
And he has my number and he has the address. What else do you want?
I want the same technician.
I want the I want the same.
Say, by the way, ma'am,
I want,
can
listen,
you let me explain first, please?
what is the explanation?
Yeah, I just need you guys to listen first, please.
I'm
I understand
listening.
that this is a frustrating part on your end. You've been waiting for an appointment. Yeah, and by the way, just to share with you, the technician did visit the place and check your outside location, and the process has been completed. So we detected if your picture has a snowy screen, so definitely we don't need to go inside. We'll be checking the head end, where your connection is connected. So that's why you weren't able to see the technician there.
No, you because
What
they.
happened?
Okay, that what you say is totally irrelevant. You understand? The problem is the box inside the house has to be replaced. You wouldn't find anything outside. To tell me stories and make up stories and charge the technician wants to make money, so he makes some stupid excuse or whatever. I don't know what it is. I never saw any technician, and besides, your technician has no right to come into my property without telling me. But never mind that, it is irrelevant because the problem is not in the cables outside, the problem is in the box inside the house. Do you understand?
Yeah, I totally understand that, Mr. Abs.
This,
If
like,
the
I want you to
technician-
put a note,
That's why I'm trying to tell, sir.
put a note that the box is old and it was not replaced for more than several years. The box has to be replaced. There's nothing to check outside. And you send me a message, the technician checked outside and improved the problem, but the problem is not outside, the problem is the cable inside, the cable box inside the house.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell, sir. There might be a big possibility since the ticket that's been created yesterday was been written incorrectly, right, for your appointment. So that's why we need to reschedule an appointment for tomorrow and make sure
I
to
don't have
fully
time.
document everything.
I don't have time tomorrow and there is nothing to document. Give him a new box and let him come and replace the box.
Yeah, so just in case, by the way, if we somehow get an appointment for today, you will get the same technician, so definitely you will
Fine,
get
I don't care that every idiot can replace a box. I can do it myself and you're wasting hours of my time and the technician's time. My time, $100 an hour is more expensive than your whole service here.
I totally understand that.
You don't want to have the same technician.
Give me the same technician. Call him now and tell him to finish the job already. Come here and do it already. You have another hour.
All right, sir. Just stay on the line, okay? Thank you so much.
And I'm waiting for him outside to help him find.
Hello, Mr. Avi.
Yes, Connie.
Hi, thank you so much for patiently waiting, and I'm so sorry, by the way, for putting in a silent tip or not, noisy hold down. So I'm still requesting to somehow check if we could bring back the same technician on your area. So we are trying to contact them through our back end, right? So this
Yes.
might take your time, sir. And as you've mentioned, by the way, that your time is valuable, and I don't want to prolong you on the line. So how about this, sir? Do you really would love to get a technician appointment for today, or we could just do it for tomorrow, sir? So that
No,
we
because
can
I'm
make sure.
I'm working, I'm teaching a course. I cannot in the middle of the class start messing with you and your dispatch and your technician. Do you
I
understand that?
understand. Yeah, I understand that, sir. But we have a certain time frame that you could choose, sir.
Fine, I cannot do it tomorrow. If I'm not going, I don't want to cancel it. Get a technician. He said that he was here 10 minutes away from the place, and get it to finish the job. And if he cannot finish this technician, give another technician. It is only 2 o'clock, and the appointment was between 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So you have a whole hour. What is it, a rocket science to come in 5 minutes, swap the boxes, and don't touch any cables outside, and don't mess up my line. It's bad enough that you have incompetent dispatch, and you have incompetent technical support. That is bad enough. But to replace a box is not a rocket science.
As I mentioned earlier, sir, we're here trying to help you. You also need to understand that we have limited resources, and I'm a different person. I'm not the technician who did that to you, so you should trust me on this, sir. All right? So that's what I'm trying to tell. I understand that
I'm
your
not
time is
saying anything.
valuable.
I'm not saying anything about the technician, and I'm not saying anything about you. But your dispatch sucks. You understand what dispatch is no good, and I know that it is not you. The dispatch is in Miami here, messing up with the appointments, and
I know.
your policy is bad. If you schedule with somebody from 1 to 3, make sure that the technician comes between 1 and 3, and tell the dispatch you cannot mess with the appointments. People are making special arrangements, and they're already paying you hundreds of dollars, and you have a stupid dispatch that is out of control. And have the technician call you before and verify if the customer or the client wants to cancel it. It's a different matter. But if the client has 2 people on standby just to accommodate you and your technician, you cannot waste their time.
I understand, sir. I understand.
And I don't have money. I don't have time on Monday and Tuesday and the rest of the week. I'm tied up. I'm not sitting all day long waiting for your technician to do 5 minutes replacement of the box. You want to mess up?
I know, sir.
What you are doing now is you're messing up with my income also. It's bad enough that you provide terrible dispatch services. Now you are going to make it so I cannot pay you.
I really do apologize for this, by the way, sir. Not to say this, just
Don't
to clear
don't
our name.
wait.
It's
Listen.
not about that.
Don't waste my time and apologize. You have no control over it, and don't waste my time and your time. Get the dispatch online and clear it with the dispatch, and your policies are bad because you don't hold the dispatch responsible and cut their pay if they screw around with the customer, because I'm going to go to another service. I'm fed up with this nonsense.
Yes, sir, I understand that. But just to say, or just to let you know, it's not about the dispatch team.
What is it
So
about?
it's about the technician. It's about the technician's professionalism. So he decided to complete the order even though that job is not done. So that's not our fault. And we
It is your fault. It is your fault. It is your fault because the technician should not be able to cancel an appointment before the end of the time slot. If they had an accident and somebody banged his car and he's in the hospital, I can understand it. But your policy should be clear. the technician does not have an authority to cancel the appointment. It's either the client or somebody else.
Yes, sir. Again, I'm trying to explain it to you. The appointment was not canceled. So what happened, the technician completed the work order without completing anything. So here in our system, it that as complete, but on your end, it seems like you thought that the technician canceled it, right?
No, I didn't get
I-
anything about the technician. No, I didn't get anything from the technician.
I got a message saying it was canceled.
I got a message that it was canceled and it didn't say who canceled it. And the technician should have no right to cancel the appointment. If he doesn't want to come, get another technician. If the customer is sitting here and waiting from 1 to 3 on an appointment that was rescheduled already 3 or 4 times, it is time to honor the appointment and do it. And if you want to cancel it, at least pretend that it is reasonable and cancel it after 3 o'clock and not in the 15 minutes after the appointment is due to start.
It said your tech is on site for a scheduled appointment.
Let me read it to you. And I want to read to you the message. The message says, and I quote, your tech is on site for a scheduled appointment. Please greet them as soon as possible. You can manage your appointment or request a callback at this link. And this is a text help or stop message.
We never saw any.
Never saw any technician, and the technician has no right to go into my property and deal with my boxes, because the box is not the problem.
Yes, I'm sorry to cut you off, sir. So I have a great news. I was able to request the technician to go back to your place.
When is he
So
coming?
time frame will be between 3 to 5.
And who is the technician?
Give me the name of the technician, please.
Yeah, so most probably, sir, it will be the same technician.
Fine, give me his
And we'll
name,
have the
Give his-
dispatch name.
And then have him call us now.
and give me
If you have
give me
the
a
option,
case.
I'm so sorry to cut you off, guys. Please listen to me first.
Yes,
Let me
go ahead.
talk.
I'm writing it down. Go ahead.
Okay. All right, thank you. We don't have any technician's name provided, but I'll be walking you through how to get their name. You need to
Hassan.
access your My Account application.
I cannot log into your system. It's so bad and so messed up that I don't want to use your computer and I don't want to log into anything. Just give me information that you can give me, and if you have a case number, make a case number out of it, and I'm going to stop all my services to you and take AT&T or another provider. This is just too much
I would
hassle.
totally respect that.
Fine.
I would totally respect that, sir.
So
I respect
give
it.
me a case number and let me finish with this appointment, and I will terminate all services from you.
All right, sir. You want to speak with Solutions Department now?
No, I want to get information about this
No,
technician.
don't say they're gonna cancel, because they're not gonna send the technician.
I don't want to get any information. I want to get information about the technician,
And I wanna see the technician today.
and I want to see him today. And if you say 5 to 7 or whatever time you make up, don't cancel it in the middle.
Yeah, here's the name. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Biz Hassan,
Okay, Biz Hassan.
and the technician's ID is 7112.
7112. 7112. Okay.
I spoke to
Yes,
him.
sir.
Okay, I spoke to him, and he was 10 minutes, so he knew. He said he was 10 minutes away, so he knew where it is.
No, he didn't know where. I'm not
Or
sure.
he knew that he knew to tell that it will take him 10 minutes to get here.
Let's just confirm that he has the right address.
Confirm that he has the right address too. What address do you have there?
Yeah, your address is 1152 Cordero Avenue, Arroyo, Gablas, Florida 33146.
That's right.
And have him call me when he's on his way.
All right, we'll make sure to take note of that.
You
Have
ha-
him call me before, so he doesn't get lost in this. There are several houses here that look the same.
All right, so we'll make sure of that, by the way, Mr. Abbey.
You make me wait already. Now from 1 to 3,
Now 3 to 5.
and now 3 to 5.
By the way, sir, a good news here is we were able to have a technician back, so I did my best to request for you guys as a one-time exception. So hoping that you were able
I appreciate it, but let's see that he brings the box and replaces the box and don't waste my time, his time, and everything else.
So can we
Yes,
call?
sir.
When
We're
will
not
he call?
wasting everyone's time. You know, time is gold.
That's right, and I already was talking to you and your staff here for 2 hours at least.
Yes, sir, because you know that's part of the process, and I've been doing, as I've mentioned, it should be like I need your help, and you need my help.
That's
It's a
right.
collaboration piece, sir, and
That's
I
right.
understand that it's not my fault, it's not your fault, but we need to have this issue fixed, and that's the problem, and we will take care of that.
The problem
okay?
is that you don't have proper policy, and I want to get a case number for this, and I want you to fix it, and fix it now. Give me a case number that I can follow it up, and you can change the requirement for the dispatch so they don't wreak such havoc on the company and on the customers and on the technicians.
Yes, sir. So here's your work order number. Let me know once you're ready. Tell me
I'm
what
ready.
number.
Please dictate it to me.
All right. All right, sir. So I'll say it by two, okay?
Yes.
Okay. It's
10
02
02
32.
32.
Oh, it's not 32, sir, okay?
So what is it? Instead of 32.
Yeah, it's 25.
20 after 0225.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 25
05
05
53
53
55
55
20.
20
Yes, sir. 37.
37.
All right.
And your
So
name
that
and,
will-
and your name is Connie. You have a last name or
Right.
an employee number or something like that?
Oh, I don't have any, like, I can provide my last name, but I will provide you my employee ID number.
Fine. What is it?
Sure, it's 38943.
38943. For now, I'll call you Connie Philippines. You're in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir, I might be in the Philippines, but I have an American blood, so I don't see any problem with that.
No, it's just a location so I can identify who it is. Okay.
All right, sir. I appreciate your time, by the way. I know that time is gold. I know that you need to take care of lots of parents. You and your wife, by the way, you enjoy the rest of your day. And always remember this, Mr. Abby, it might be a bad day, but it's not going to be a bad life. All right?
Okay, so just make sure that he doesn't quit before he comes here and talks to us. And not just
Yes,
pass.
sir. I'll monitor.
I
I'll
don't-
monitor the appointment.
I don't want
I'll
him
check you
I
out
don't want
after
him
the
to
appointment.
pass by and then report to you that he messed with the boxes or any other story. Because it's inside the house, you have to disconnect the old box and put in the new box. That's all.
Got it, Mr. Abby. I'll
Thank
make sure
you.
to take note of that. And would that be okay as well, sir, if I will get back to you later on after the appointment?
Yes, please do. Thank you.
Okay. Appreciate you, by the way, sir. Again, I apologize for the 45 minutes of your time. So hoping that you could give us a chance and please stay with the company. You've been a long-time Xfinity customer.
Okay,
So we don't
fine.
want to lose you, okay?
Yes, thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Bye now. I don't care to worry about his, me. to charge you. I want to test this camera right through the drawer. I'm going to select one. Now start recording. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop now. Lay back. Stop now. I'm going to show you also the monitor here. I'm pressing, see the blinking light, that means that it is recording 360 using this camera. And this is Pix Pro Orbit 364K Kodak camera that is working very well. And now that I did the test, I'm going to press this red button first to stop the recording. And then press the power button down to stop wasting the battery. And shut the power down. And bring your lanyard, put your lanyard on and don't hustle me so much. demonstrate now. I want to demonstrate now how I'm putting a credit card type of memory bank inside this computer. So I want to view also the various video recordings that I'm doing, particularly to see whether this is still working, which it does. And another one that should be still working, this one, which it does too. And now I want to show, this is a credit card type of memory bank, and I'm going to demonstrate how to deal with it when it is running out of power. I want to make sure that it has enough power to last. So I'm going to remove the rubber band, one white rubber band from the right hand side removed, and another black rubber band from the other side. Then I take the phone out of the lanyard, and I'm going to attach this battery to the back, lined up, like so. And then put the rubber band over it. So it doesn't lose power. Notice this power bank has 4 lights lit up. Then you connect it. See the 4 lights light up, and it says here, charging 30 minutes until fully charged. Now that I got it to start charging, I can swipe again. Start recording again. Close all the apps. Camera. Video. And I'm starting to record again. Then I slide it into my lanyard. Now help me repeat what I'm saying. I'm going to go back to the client to retrieve another number.
So retrieve another number.
And to find another number that has a message that it needs to be updated. So I'm going to the email client,
Email client.
and then I delete mark day trade has been updated, so I can delete this message. It is no longer relevant, and pick up another one that needs to be treated.
What date is that?
Doesn't matter what date it is. What matters is that it says that it will terminate. So now I'm going to
In 30 days.
mark it. Repeat it.
You're going to market, I'm trying to see what the
Right
name
mouse click to copy. Don't worry about it, I said.
is. X strategy IN.
And then go to my notes, and I'm going to paste it in larger font so you'll be able to read it. You understand? So now I want to paste it in my notes, make a few, and I change the marking. This has a greater than and less than sign. So the next one will be open paren and close paren. So I put a few open paren to segregate it from the rest. Then place the cursor underneath and edit paste,
Edit paste.
and then segregate it by a close paren.
Segregate by close paren.
And a couple of enters to have a
Couple
couple
of
of blank lines.
Right.
Now I mark the X strategy in
X strategy in.
with the cursor to copy to the clipboard buffer.
Copy this clipboard buffer.
Edit,
Edit.
copy,
Copy.
and now with this message I'm going to delete the message from Google because I'm dealing with it. I don't have to worry about that. And I open the browser to find another
Another one.
email instance that I can change the log.
Okay.
understand? So
Right.
here's an email
Instant.
instead of another market day trade which I finished.
Right.
So now I can scroll down to the very bottom, repeat it,
You're scrolling down to the very bottom and then you're adding
select
account.
another account,
Okay.
and then scroll to the bottom again a second time and
Use
use another account. And then paste, say paste.
Paste.
And
Extra.
then select, if it appears here, you select it, and if it
Save.
doesn't, you
Put it-
just
put it in.
type it in.
Okay.
And then next,
Next.
and then pick up the password and next. And when it tells you all kind of stories, I don't want to hear
Not
any
now.
stories, not now.
Oh, no.
You understand?
Okay.
Then
it's
I
security
select
then.
all the garbage to delete outdated emails.
No, wait,
Repeat it.
but that's not outdated. This is relevant.
It is not relevant. I'm
Why
going to-
not?
Because I'm making an outbound call. It will no longer
Okay, but
be needed.
but it is relevant right now. But
It is
after-
not relevant. After I
Okay.
finish with it, it will no longer be relevant.
Okay.
And if it becomes relevant, I'll make a note of it.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that is for the AI to automate the AI. You have to do the same thing over and over again, and then there will be an exception report. You
Oh,
understand?
here. I have a call. Hello. Hello. Oh, you'll be there. Where are you going to? What's the address? Okay, okay. So when you come, when you're here, call me. When you come, call me. Okay? Okay. Bye. So it's a different guy. So he's going to be here in 20 minutes.
Error. No. There's no
He's another guy.
son.
He's
Did
another
you get
guy.
his name?
No.
Get his name next
Yeah.
time, and let him know that he's going to be held accountable for whatever he's doing.
It's another guy because he can hardly speak English. He started.
Who cares about his
No,
English?
I'm just saying he's another guy. That's
Fine,
another
he
guy.
doesn't need English. He needs to replace a fucking box.
So he's coming in 20 minutes.
Fed up with this nonsense already.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so now next stop. Repeat it
Okay, next stop.
and record it.
It's recording. What do you want? As soon
I
as
don't
you,
have energy for you, Sarah, please.
I
Give
have
me
to
a
answer
break.
the phone.
Fine, we heard about your phone
Okay.
already.
Okay.
Give me a lot of good. So what did I say? What's
That
the
you-
next step?
The next step is what you need to go is you have to go to Google Voice.
Right, so I'm scrolling down on the waffle and I find voice,
Right.
and the next step is to click voice. Say,
Click Voice. And make sure you're in the same and you're in the correct
and
one.
you see that I have some spam. So
Says
all the
spam.
spam part of the algorithm has to be deleted. How do I delete the spam? Let's move it already. You know or you don't know?
No.
So you hold down the shift key and you left mouse click. Tell me what to do.
Left mouse click. I'm sorry.
Hold down the shift key,
Hold down the shift
and
key.
while you keep the shift key depressed,
Depress.
then click the left mouse.
Click the left mouse key.
Tell me from beginning to end proper instructions.
Left, you're saying hold down the shift key and left key of the mouse. I don't think that's-
Shift key down,
Yeah,
left mouse click,
left mouse click. And what?
and what happened?
It's still there.
It marks it.
It's still,
After it marks it, then you have to delete it.
delete.
You understand?
Yeah,
So you look for a delete, and if you don't find it,
I don't find
there are three dots here. Maybe it will be there.
it. No. Yeah, at the bottom.
So then, what should I do to delete
Click,
it?
click delete.
And what
Permanently
should I do
delete
now?
call. It says permanently delete call.
What should I do now?
Click
Second
delete.
time.
Click
Click
delete.
delete. And now I want to call
Right.
Polani. I mean,
No, you
chat
want,
bot. What should I do next?
you want to put 1-800 ChatGPT on the
Right?
enter
So I
name.
go to my notes, and I'm looking for it in my notes. And here it is. So I mark the cursor first and then do what next?
You want to highlight,
Highlight the entire string.
not the entire string, just 800
Shift
chat
the entire
string.
the entire string of the phone number, with toll-free phone number. So hold down the shift key and then right arrow. Tell me what to do.
Keep on going.
Hold
With
down the shift key,
Hold down the shift key, right arrow.
right arrow,
After
until when?
After the T.
Am I done already?
Yes.
No, stupid.
Why not?
One more. It has to be complete.
I
Stupids
said
don't understand.
I said after
Okay.
the T.
But you tell me which keystroke to do. Don't tell me story.
I'm gonna tell.
Keystroke by keystroke to make sure that you can
No,
replicate.
No.
What should I do next?
You want to now right click your mouse and then copy.
My
And
next
now,
step.
now move over to this window where it says enter a name or phone number and click there.
Okay, I moved and I clicked. What
And
next?
now right mouse
And what next?
and now paste.
That's right.
And now enter the phone.
No, what you want to do
Phone.
is first get Kolani to work, because that ensure that she will engage him and I can finish my documentation. Do you understand? Because it by itself cannot conduct a discussion about a class matter. In the meantime, we will go back to your PowerPoints and let's select the topic that you are interested in covering next time.
Do this, do
Tell me what to
TG2.
do. I don't
Click
know.
on the first one.
Okay. And let me scroll down until you find something that is relevant to discuss.
Okay.
Other than this, we have
Okay.
done this already.
Oh,
Let's take it.
no, let's take this in open source. There's good software in it. The one six, number six.
Up or down?
Number six. Up. Six. Six. Number six. Go right
Tell
here.
me
Say-
up or down. I don't know
said
6
down.
or 7.
Oh, you read a number?
What
Six.
do you want here?
Talk
Software
about
issues.
no open source software.
So you have to mark it and extend it to the entire string. To do that, you hold down the shift key and click until the end of the string. You understand? Tell me what to do. Next.
Now you want to. You have open source software. Now you want to go to Call Annie.
No, you want to copy to the clipboard buffer and then minimize it again and put it in your notes.
You didn't minimize it.
Minimize it means make it, reduce it, that's all.
No, that doesn't what
Okay.
minimize means.
All right, here it is, and now you know that it is in the buffer.
I
You
don't
go File, Save, and now you want to get Eric to work. So you click on Eric, you understand? And if it doesn't work, we'll open another one.
Oh,
Hi Eric,
Hi, Eric.
tell me about open source software, please.
open source software is software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. It promotes collaboration and sharing because
How
the
do you
code is
pause?
publicly
Hi,
available.
I'm ChatGPT,
Key
an AI
characteristics
assistant.
include
Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
I want to know about open source software.
Open source software is
open.
looking to use open source software or maybe contribute to a project?
Yes.
Using or contributing to open source software can be beneficial in several ways. 1. Engaging with open
How do
source
I
projects
stop?
can enhance your coding skills and provide practical experience.
Where?
2. You can connect with other
Where?
developers and collaborate on projects, fostering a sense of community.
Where?
3. Open source software can be customized to meet specific needs, allowing for
No, I don't
greater
want slow
flexibility
speech.
compared to proprietary
I don't want-
software.
I don't want
To
slow
use
speech.
or contribute to an
I
open
wanna
source
pause.
software.
Project? You can start by finding a project that interests you on platforms like GitHub or GitLab. Look for projects labeled beginner friendly to get started.
To get started with open source software, follow these steps. 1. Use platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and others to find projects that match your interests such
How
as
do I
machine
pause
learning or
it?
natural language processing. Look for
said it
collections
was
specifically designed for beginners. 2. Search for projects labeled with good first issue or help wanted. These labels indicate approachable tasks for newcomers. 3. Familiarize yourself with the project's contribution guidelines
Eric.
to understand their specific needs and how to contribute effectively. 4. Evaluate the project's activity and community engagement to ensure a supportive environment for your contributions. 5. Choose a project that genuinely interests you, as this will make the contribution experience more enjoyable and rewarding.
It's too
Following these
many
steps can
things.
help you find the right open source project and set you up for a successful contribution experience.
Be quiet. Now speak.
How do I pause when you're speaking, Eric?
You can pause me by saying something like stop or pause. It helps me know when you want to jump in or if you need a moment to think. How can I assist you further?
Be quiet.
If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to explore further, please let me know, and I can provide detailed information or assistance.
Tell me how to pause for a few minutes.
Sure, take your time. What would you like to know about?
To pause our conversation for a few minutes, you can simply say pause or stop. This indicates that you need a moment before continuing. If you have any topics or questions in mind, please let me know when you're ready to proceed.
Pause.
I'll pause. Just let me know when you're ready to continue.
Pause for a minute. I need to go to the restroom.
I don't want to do.
No problem. Take your time. I'll be here when you're ready.
I will be back in a minute.
If you have any specific topics or questions you'd like to
No, by
discuss,
just saying
please
that's
let me
not
know,
it.
and I can provide the information you need. Please
Pause.
let me know how I can assist you further or if you have any specific questions or topics in mind.
Pause.
Pause.
Got it. Welcome back. What's next on your mind?
Pause. What's the difference between open source software and proprietary closed software like it was in DeepSync?
Open source
Open
software
source
is
software
software with a company or individual,
difference
and it's
is-
not shared with the public. Users can't see or modify the code, and they typically have to buy licenses to use it.
It seems you are describing proprietary closed software. Here's a summary of its characteristics. 1. Developed and owned by a specific company or individual. 2. The source code is not shared with the public, meaning users cannot access, view, or modify it. 3. Users typically must purchase licenses to use the software, and the terms of use are defined by the licensing agreement. 4. Support and updates are usually provided by the company, but users have limited control over the software's development and future features. Proprietary closed software is common in commercial applications, where companies maintain control over their products and intellectual property.
So, open source software is about openness and collaboration, while proprietary software focuses on control and exclusivity. Does that clarify things for you?
Yes, that clarifies the distinction well. Open source software emphasizes openness and collaboration, allowing users to contribute, modify, and share the software freely. In contrast, proprietary software prioritizes control and exclusivity, limiting user access to the source code and enforcing restrictions on usage and modification. This fundamental difference shapes the user experience, community involvement, and overall development approach for each type of software.
How was
Exactly.
is DeepSync open source or closed source?
Proprietary
DeepSync is a
software. Pretty interesting, right?
Yes, proprietary software is indeed interesting due to its implications for control, user access, and business models. It raises discussions about software ownership, user rights, and the balance between innovation and security. The proprietary model can lead to robust support and development from the owning company, but it also limits user flexibility and customization options compared to open source alternatives.
Have you heard about DeepSeek? Is it open source?
Yes, VLC Media Player is a popular open source media player. It's known for playing a wide variety of audio and video formats without needing extra codecs.
VLC Media Player is indeed a well-known open-source media player. Its key features include 1. VLC can play numerous audio and video formats, including MP3, MP4, a
Pause.
VI, MKV, and more,
Pause
without
now.
requiring additional codas.
Pause.
2. It is available on multiple operating
This-
systems,
this is
including
not-
Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS.
This is
3. Being open source,
Pause.
users can
pause now.
modify the
This is
software
not
and contribute to its development.
stop.
4.
This is not media player. This is about deep seek. DEEP and seek SEEK. Together, all together, deep seek. Is that open source?
DeepSeek is an open source project. It is designed for searching and indexing deep web content, allowing users to access information that may not be readily available through standard search engines. Being open source means that its source code is accessible for modification and collaboration by the community.
Got it. Yes. Deep Index Search is open source software. It's
Because it's
intended to make
old.
deep
They're
web
not
content
using the
more
current
accessible
internet.
by
So you have to
indexing
correct
and
it.
searching information that's not easily
So how are you
found
gonna
through
correct it?
traditional
You
search
repeat
engines.
the same thing. I'm asking about deep seek AI. Deep
Chatbot.
seek AI chatbot. DEEP SEEP
No,
AI artificial intelligence
Chatbot.
chatbot.
Oh, DeepMind. Yes.
No,
DeepMind
not
is a company.
DeepMind. Deep seek. DEEP SEEK. Deep seek.
I apologize for the
You're
confusion.
referring-
DeepSeek AI is a proprietary tool, specifically designed for AI-driven search and retrieval. It focuses on enhancing the accessibility of information, particularly in deep web contexts. As a proprietary software, its source code is not open to the public, and users usually need to acquire licenses to use it.
That is not correct. I understand that DeepSeek is open source. Please check your opinion.
I
DeepSeek is
appreciate the
indeed an
clarification.
open source project. It aims to facilitate searching and indexing deep web content, making it more accessible. Being open source allows users to modify and
That's
contribute
where
to
it
its
was
development.
developed.
I appreciate your clarification on this topic.
Where was it developed? What country?
What country developed DeepSeek?
DeepSeek was developed
I
in
don't
the
have-
United States. It is an open source project
No.
that focuses on improving access
No.
to deep web content.
No,
If you have any more specific
No.
questions about its features or development,
No.
feel free to ask.
no. DeepSeek was developed in China, specifically by a Chinese company in Hong Kong.
Thank you for
Thank
the
you for
correction.
correcting me.
DeepSeek was indeed developed by a Chinese company based in Hong Kong. If you have further questions or need more information about DeepSeek or related topics, please let me know.
What is the controversy between DeepSeek and NVIDIA?
DeepSeek
I'm
and
not aware of
NVIDIA
a-
serve different purposes in the tech landscape. 1. An open source project focused on indexing and searching deep web content. It aims to enhance accessibility to information that is not easily found through traditional search engines. 2. A leading technology company known for its graphics processing units PUs, which are widely used in gaming, professional visualization data centers, and AI applications. NVIDIA also develops software frameworks and platforms for AI and machine learning, such as CUDA and TensorIT. In summary, DeepSeek is a specific tool for deep web searching, while NVIDIA is a major player in hardware and software for graphics and AI.
Exactly. They operate in different domains. Any controversy might stem from broader industry dynamics, but they don't directly compete in the same market. Would you like to know more about either company?
Yes.
About DeepSeek.
Sure. What specifically would you like to know more about?
DeepSeek chatbot, the controversy about it.
I'm not aware of a specific controversy between DeepSeek AI and NVIDIA. They operate in different areas, so any conflict might be indirect or related to broader industry trends. Is there a particular incident or issue you're referring to?
He's coming in 2 minutes.
Yes, it's the performance. How does DeepSeek performance and cost compare to other AI chatbots such as ChatGPT or Colani.ai?
I'm not aware of a chatbot named DeepSeek AI. It's possible that it might not be widely recognized, or it might be a newer or less mainstream product compared to ChatGPT or Kooky AI. Could you provide more context or clarify?
DeepSeek AI is designed for specific applications, and while it may not be as widely recognized as ChatGPT, it offers unique features that could cater to certain use cases. In terms of performance, it would depend on the specific metrics being evaluated, such as response accuracy, contextual understanding, and user engagement. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is known for its conversational capabilities and extensive training data, while Colony AI may focus on different aspects of AI interaction. Cost comparisons would also vary based on licensing models, usage tiers, and the scale of deployment. For a detailed analysis, one would need to look at specific performance metrics and pricing structures of each platform.
Absolutely. Performance and features can vary widely among chatbots, and it's essential to consider your specific needs and metrics when comparing them. If you're interested in a particular aspect or use case, I can try to provide more tailored information.
To provide tailored information, please specify the aspects of performance or features you're most interested in comparing among DeepSeek AI, ChatGPT, and Colony AI. Common metrics include 1. How well the chatbot understands and answers queries. 2. Ability to maintain context in conversations. 3. Compatibility with other software and platforms. 4. Flexibility to adapt the chatbot for specific use cases. 5. Pricing models and any associated fees. Let me know which of these or any other specific factors you would like to explore.
If you have any specific needs or use cases in mind, I can help clarify how these chatbots might align with your goals.
If you have specific needs or use cases, please share them. For example, are you looking for a chatbot for customer support, content generation, data retrieval, or another application? Understanding your goals will help me provide a more focused comparison of how DeepSeek AI, ChatGPT, and Colony AI can meet those requirements.
Let me know your specific needs, and I'll help you with a more tailored comparison or recommendation.
To provide a more tailored comparison or recommendation for chatbots like DeepSeek AI, ChatGPT, and Colony AI, please specify your specific needs or use cases. Consider aspects such as 1. Who will be using the chatbot? 2. What do you want the chatbot to accomplish? Customer support, lead generation, information retrieval. 3. Do you need the chatbot to integrate with existing systems or platforms? 4. What is your budget for implementing a chatbot solution? 5. Are there specific features you require, such as multilingual support, analytics, or customization? Providing details on these points will enable me to give you a more relevant analysis
and suggest the best options for your needs.
When making decisions about large purchases or providing customer suggestions, consider the following key points. 1. Assess each scenario by weighing the pros and cons, as seen in quizzes that encourage wise financial choices. Larry and Martha's saving strategy. 2. When a desired product is unavailable, proactively suggest alternatives that meet the customer's needs, ensuring a positive experience. 3. Before making significant purchases, conduct comprehensive research to find unbiased information, particularly for tech products like computers. 4. Use polite language and friendly tones when offering suggestions, enhancing customer interactions and improving overall satisfaction. These strategies can help in making informed choices and improving customer service experiences.
It seems sounds like you're looking for strategies to improve customer interactions. Chatbots can definitely assist with these goals by providing personalized suggestions, answering FAQs, and even guiding customers through decision-making processes. Would you like to explore how a chatbot could fit into your customer interaction strategy?
AI chatbots can significantly enhance customer interactions by automating repetitive tasks, allowing human agents to focus on complex issues. They play a vital role in the customer journey, guiding potential customers through stages like awareness, consideration, and decision-making. To develop an effective chatbot strategy, businesses should conduct a needs analysis to define goals, target audience, and desired functionalities. The right chatbot, whether rule-based or AI-driven, should engage customers and streamline operations, aligning with overall customer service objectives. In 2024, designing a chatbot requires a blend of technology, user-centric design, and strategic planning to elevate customer engagement effectively.
I'm going to hang up on Kolani on ChatGPT to see that it is recorded as an outbound call. So I'm going to press the hang up button and see that it is displayed on my calls. Read it out loud.
It says 800-242-8478, 2:49 p.m.
And doing that, I'm going to upload some notes to Google Drive.
It seems you are in the process of managing your calls and notes. If you need assistance with any specific tasks related to Google Drive, call management, or any other topic, please let me know how I can help.
Yes, I selected file upload, and now I'm pasting the file name preceded by a prefix of the path to upload the file to Google Drive. This is a zip type of file from psar.exe, which stands for Problem Step Recorder Executable.
The Problem Steps Recorder PSR is a tool in Windows that allows users to record steps taken on a computer, capturing screenshots and comments along the way. When uploading a zip file containing PSR data to Google Drive, ensure the following. 1. Make sure the zip file is named clearly to reflect its contents for easy identification later. 2. Use the File Upload option in Google Drive, navigate to the zip file location, and select it for upload. 3. After uploading, set the appropriate sharing permissions if you need to share the file with others. If you need further assistance with any specific steps or features, let me know.
And now I'm going to go to the folder upload and upload the entire folder named Google Voice with my notes. Control V to paste, and then click the upload button.
Using Control V to paste the folder path or file name is a quick way to initiate the upload process. After pasting, clicking the upload button will start the upload to Google Drive. Make sure to monitor the upload progress to confirm that all files are successfully uploaded. If you encounter any issues or need assistance with anything specific during this process, let me know.
No, this is not correct. Before uploading it, Google is going to give the user upload options. And Google is going to ask the user if the user wants to replicate it, replace existing folder, or I'm choosing the other option, which I click in, keep both folders, and then click upload again.
When uploading a folder to Google Drive, it prompted with options like replace existing folder or keep both folders. Selecting keep both folders allows you to maintain both the existing folder and the new one. This is useful for preserving previous versions or content. After making your choice, clicking upload will proceed with the upload while keeping both folders intact. If you have further questions or need assistance with the next steps, feel free to ask.
Yes, so I want to replicate it now again. Tell me what to do.
To replicate the folder upload process in Google Drive, follow these steps. 1. In Google Drive, choose the folder upload option again. 2. Navigate to the folder you wish to upload. 3. Select the folder and click upload. 4. When prompted with options regarding existing folders, Choose Replace Existing Folder if you want to overwrite the previous upload. Choose Keep Both Folders if you want to maintain the existing folder alongside the new one. 5. Click Upload to start the process. 6. Check the upload progress to ensure all files are successfully uploaded. If there are any specific steps or features you need help with during this process, let me know.
Yes, I need to document it since Google sent me an email that says your Google Voice number will expire in 30 days. And I made a note when I made an outbound call to 800 Chat GPT that it will not expire in 30 days, and I saved it on my local Google Voice subfolder. And on the second local folder that is named by the account X Strategy in and the phone number, and now I want to upload it. And after I upload it also, I want to find out exactly how many files did Google upload. So I scroll to the right hand side and I see that it uploaded 351 folders for my 351 files for my Google Voice. So I enter 351 for the Google Voice, and 5 folders for my X Strategy in subfolder. So I type 5 and enter. And finally, with the psar.txt, there is only one folder, so I enter the number 1. So this way, I know.
It sounds like you are documenting the upload details for your Google Voice and associated folders. To summarize your entries: 1. 351 files uploaded. 2. 5 folders uploaded. 3. 1 folder uploaded. This method of tracking will help you keep organized records of your uploads. If you need assistance with any further documentation or tasks, please let me know.
No, don't let him in outside it. No, because I don't want him to see the old cable connection, please. He has to come inside and deal with the box. You talk to the AI.
If someone needs to come inside to deal with a box or equipment, ensure that 1. Make sure the area is accessible and safe for the person to enter. 2.
Pause.
Clearly communicate any specific
Can you
instructions or
please
requirements
stop?
regarding the box or equipment. 3.
you please
If
stop?
privacy is a concern.
How do I pause?
Understood.
How
If
do
you
I,
have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know.
how do I pause you when you're speaking? What I'd like you to do is not list so many items, but after you finish one item, you pause and let me interject. Can you do that?
Yes, I can do that. I will provide information in a more concise manner and pause for your input after each point. Please let me know the topic you'd like to discuss.
Okay, I wanted to discuss what is open source software and how does it differ from closed source or proprietary software. And go point by point, but pause between points so I can interject.
1. This type of software has its source code made publicly available, allowing anyone to view, modify, and distribute it. Pause for interjection.
Thank you. So in pausing for interjection, I'd like to interject that it will be open source that we can modify. Go to the second point.
Two, this software has its source code kept secret, meaning users cannot view, modify, or distribute it. Only the original creators maintain control over the software. Pause for interjection.
So this software means what?
Closed source software means that the software is proprietary, and users are typically required to pay for licenses. They cannot access the underlying code, which restricts customization and understanding of how the software operates. Pause for interjection.
So, give me an example of closed proprietary software. compared to an example of open source software?
Three, Microsoft Windows is a prominent example. Users must purchase licenses, and the source code is not available for public access or modification. Pause for interjection.
My question now becomes, what is the AI?
4. An example of open source software is the Linux operating system. Its source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. Pause for interjection.
What is your name? Leno? Okay. Hi. So
Let
you
me
tell me.
explain to you what it is. Let me show you the TV and show you the problem. So I have different TVs. This was an old TV. This TV.
It seems there may have been a misunderstanding. If you meant to continue discussing open source and closed source software, please clarify your question or topic. If you would like to shift to a different subject, let me know what you would like to discuss.
So you see, this is. Yeah, this is the TV. Again, the line is no good. This box here. This box here is very strong. No. This problem is the line. I don't know. You're the professional, not me. But I have two TVs and I have three TVs and they all do the same thing. I was pulling them on, I typed it, I loosened it. Here, look at this one too.
You're welcome. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know. Please provide more context or specify what you would like to discuss or look at. I'm here to assist you.
Right, yeah, right, you're right.
You see that the cream is
Yeah,
And also this, I put this TV also, and I changed this, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
okay, I have one HDMI in my truck.
It seems like you might be discussing change it.
But it doesn't, this TV, but the old TV, this HDMI doesn't have it. But this one has HDMI.
Yeah, but this one, yeah, I have one HDMI.
But what will you connect the HDMI to what?
The box. Let me see, maybe in the box you have one.
This box doesn't
You're
have
welcome.
HDMI.
If you have any further questions or topics to discuss, feel free to let me know. Please provide more context or specify what you would like to continue discussing. I'm here to assist you with any topic or question you have. It seems there may be a misunderstanding. If you have a specific topic or question in mind, please share it so I can provide the information you need. Could you please clarify what you would like to discuss or continue with? I'm here to help with any specific
okay,
topics or questions.
we'll talk later, thank you.
Where's the TV box? The TV box.
I don't know. Now it's better, don't touch it. What did you do?
Hey, this is the problem. You see,
Okay.
the problem is the TV. Do you touch?
Yeah. So you think it's the TV, not the
It's the
cable?
TV, not the cable.
Can you check it, equipment?
Yeah, I have one equipment here.
Yeah,
I
you
check
get,
the line.
okay.
So you touch only this.
Touch,
you
no
look.
touch it.
But now, sometimes, listen, sometimes I don't touch it.
I know.
I was telling them that it works and then by itself it stops.
But why two?
Why is it working now? What did you do?
Nothing. Only.
Nada,
Yes, it's nothing.
nada.
Only those you see.
I have to keep you here.
Yeah,
It seems like you might be discussing an issue with a TV or equipment and troubleshooting it. If you have specific questions about the problem or need assistance with diagnosing the issue, please provide more details so I can help effectively.
Now it's better, huh?
Listen,
Yeah.
this is
What did
I
you
did
do?
by myself.
Only touch the cable.
touch it.
Yeah, only touch.
Yeah,
That doesn't.
I did it myself and I told them when I touch the cable and I tighten it, it works for a while. But after some time, all of a
The
sudden,
problem is the cable.
Okay. What cable?
The problem is the behind of the TV you have one barrel. The barrel is too old.
Too old.
Too old. So you touch.
don't do it. Leave it. You check, you say you
Please provide more context.
HDMI?
The signal is fine. The problem
You're-
is the HDMI is too small. You have the box in here. The HDMI, you don't do the HDMI from here. You understand? It's too long.
It's too wide of a
You want to
space?
connect the HDMI to my computer? My computer has
No, this is the problem.
But you don't have HDMI.
The Yes, you don't have HDMI.
If you're
Okay, can we upgrade?
You have a cable
No, no,
with
no, no, no.
HDMI? Also, they told
Okay,
me.
you have $1 in here. You see?
Yeah, this
Behind
is,
from here, you have $1 for TV. Okay, but the HDMI is too small. It's only
so
2 feet.
what can I do? And also, they told me that they will give you a small box. That they have a new box that is called EXO. EXO.
Exo, no. Exo or Sumo?
Zumo.
No, it's no good. Use it only this.
They,
Okay?
they
But
don't
what-
know what they're talking about.
No, no,
They,
no,
they
no.
tell you on the phone we need Zumo.
No, you know Sumo. You know
What
use
is
Sumo. Sumo is one package. You don't have you don't need this package. Okay? You have the main box. Okay? It's better. It's better to use one.
A ver, ¿cómo se dice?
I showed him the cable outside.
Right.
He said that it's not a problem.
No, the problem is the cable.
Can you double check it, please?
No,
You
I'm
are
checking
here.
my phone.
I don't want you to call me.
I check my phone. There's no problem. You say, look. Only so you touch here.
Touch it.
That I know. I did it by myself. Please don't touch it. You got it to work with. I'll call you back when it doesn't work again.
This is the problem. So you see the screen and
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
you
snowy.
touch from here, you touch small, but it's slow. Too slow, you touch.
But listen, sometimes it becomes bad and I don't. That's
No
it.
touch it.
No worry. It's too old.
An hour after you go, I'll buy a new television from the store and I'll put it there and I will.
See, you put new television, you don't have problem.
You said new
You'll
too.
come back. I'll lose
Yes.
your name. You
Yes.
give me your name.
Yes.
Let,
You don't have problem.
The spot telephone
let me
directly.
get your information.
Okay.
Because I don't want to complain to Xfinity.
They don't have your stuff, so give them your
You know
phone.
what I mean? And then they invite you again.
You're welcome. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. It seems you are discussing issues with the TV setup, including potential signal problems and the possibility of upgrading equipment. If you're
Yes.
considering purchasing a new television or need to troubleshoot the current setup, it may be helpful to check the connections, ensure compatibility with devices, and verify that the signal source is functioning correctly. If you have specific questions or need guidance on a particular aspect, please let me know. If you are looking to address specific information, please clarify what topics or details you would like to discuss. This
Okay.
could include troubleshooting steps for your TV setup, options for upgrading equipment,
Okay,
or any
stop.
other related queries.
Pause.
I'm here to assist you with clear and concise.
Thank you. What my issue is you speak many topics. How can I have you speak in one topic and then have me respond? I'm teaching a class and I want you to be my co-host. So how can we do it? You bring up like 5 points, and what I want to do is have you bring up 1 point, I'll respond, and then I want you to bring up the second point. So what should I tell you or ask you to do to have this done in the future conversations? What do you suggest? How should I speak to you?
To facilitate a structured conversation where I present 1 point at a time for you to respond to, you can follow these steps. 1. Clearly state the topic you want to discuss. 2. Ask me to provide 1 point or piece of information related to that topic. 3. After I present a point, you can respond, and then I will wait for your cue to present the next point. For example, you could say, please provide 1 point about specific topic, and after my response, you can share your thoughts before asking for the next point. This way, the conversation remains focused and interactive.
Okay, let's start. Give me 1 point of what is open source and what is the advantage to businesses.
Open source refers to software whose source code is made available to the public for use, modification, and distribution. One key advantage is cost savings. Open source software typically has no licensing fees, allowing businesses to reduce software costs. Additionally, it promotes flexibility and customization, enabling companies to tailor the software to meet their specific needs. Feel free to respond or ask for the next point.
One cable goes to the computer and the other cable goes to the TV. Can you check the line and you see if there's a problem with the splitter maybe? You know what I mean? My splitter? I don't know if I'm using the right place.
See, as soon as you start moving there, Lilian,
I already
see?
messed up the line. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
See the splitter? Maybe the splitter is messed up. I don't
See,
know.
as soon as you touch it, see how it's going in the.
See how good it is now?
No, but once you start touching it, it shakes
I
too.
know, it's almost.
Can you replace the splitter? You have a splitter in the car?
Play for that, for what?
For what?
Yes.
I don't know. Maybe the splitter is big.
No,
No.
No?
no, now you have internet, you have everything. Okay, touch.
Touch it.
Change the channel. What if
Oh,
No, I don't need to change it. I'm not using the. I just watch one channel.
Right, it
No,
doesn't
I
matter.
Yeah, I don't change it. Always no. I just want to listen to the news.
But also we want it just clear, that's all.
Just we want it like this, but consistently.
As soon as you
know,
touch
I
that,
do something with the computer talks, and all of a sudden the television goes back.
but as soon as you touch that there,
know,
you say,
But no, but sometimes it changes when I don't touch anything. That's what I'm trying to explain.
no, or tighten it, no?
So you touch here, so you
Touch
move,
it, yeah.
everything moves.
Yeah, right,
I
right.
know.
Yeah, is it supposed to be like that?
Yes.
Yeah, right,
You have one coaxial cable.
yeah. So maybe make it tighter, no?
No, it's
No?
you see the box for it's coaxial cable. You
Yeah,
put one
right.
coaxial in here. So
Yeah.
you touch the coaxial, so you move the coaxial.
But sometimes it stops without me touching anything.
So what do you want him to do? Let's be
I want him
constructive.
to maybe replace. I don't want to deal with it. Later you will blame me. All right, this is what the person that installed it. That's what they did, maybe 5 years ago.
I know, but it's not have problem in the
How do you know? Why don't you connect your device to the line and see if the signal comes in good?
the signal is good. Because I see the signal here in my
Right
phone.
now it's good. I don't need you to tell me. It looks good. But it changes on its own sometimes, you understand?
Right.
You understand what the word intermittent means?
Sometimes, yes.
What does
yes,
it mean intermittent?
I know,
Yes,
I know,
but
but you have intermediate, okay, you have coaxial. See, you touch here,
Yeah,
look,
touch
look,
it. Yeah,
you touch,
yeah.
look,
Yeah,
look,
right,
I
look,
right,
know.
right. No.
you better look, that you,
But sometimes I don't touch. I do it on
No.
my own all day long.
No touch it.
I know.
No touch.
No touch it.
And I don't touch it and it stops.
You have one coaxial
I
cable
can
here.
hire you to live here and every time it stops by itself, you come and touch it. What can I do? I pay the maximum.
It seems like the conversation has shifted from discussing open source to a technical issue related to television or signal problems. If you would like to continue discussing the original topic of open source or any other topic, please specify, and I can provide another point or information.
very important meeting with President Trump in Washington. The fact that this would be President Trump's first meeting with a foreign leader since his inauguration is telling. I think it's a testimony to the strength of the Israeli-American alliance. It's also a testimony to the strength of our personal friendship.
The meeting comes as the ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas is about to enter its second phase. This weekend, Trump spoke with the president of Egypt by phone. Trump wants Egypt and Jordan to take in some of the 1 million Palestinians from Gaza. Both countries have rejected that idea. With me now is Peter Bergen. He is a CNN national security analyst and host of the In the Room with Peter Bergen podcast. Peter, great to see you. So in your view, why is this meeting between Trump and Netanyahu important?
Well, we're still in the first phase of this ceasefire. Two other phases. The next phase, which is getting to be more complicated, actually involves the release of Israeli soldiers, male soldiers, and also the, pulling all Israeli troops out of Gaza. So the first 6 weeks, of the ceasefire have gone so far pretty well. I mean, we've had a regular release of hostages from Hamas, and then Palestinian prisoners being released by the Israelis, and that is all honestly to plan. On Thursday there was a bit of a hiccup because when the Israeli hostages were released by Hamas, they were sort of jostled by thousands of Palestinians. That angered Netanyahu, but not enough to hold up the releases that we saw on Saturday. So, I'm sure Trump has said, as you mentioned, Brad, that he wants Egypt and Jordan to take a lot of Palestinians. Well, that's going to be a very hard sell because the Jordanians have already have a very large Palestinian population already. It's not a coincidence, I think, that on February 11th, King Abdullah of Jordan is going to visit D.C. at the invitation of President Trump. And I'm sure he'll try and pressure him to take these. But just on Saturday in Cairo, a number of Arab states, including Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, all agreed that they do not want to be a party to anything that would resemble depopulation of Gaza.
We heard from Netanyahu there before departing Israel on his way to Washington, saying that he is the first foreign leader to meet Trump after the inauguration. Is it his view telling, exhibiting strength in their relationship? What does this tell you, and what potentially could come from this meeting?
Well, it's certainly.
So what happened?
The Trump administration.
So how is it now?
Did a lot of things.
No, it's fun.
Official to Netanyahu. They had
Maybe they did something with the box.
They said that they did something with the box. Did he leave? Okay. So they sent somebody else instead of the other one. The other one just decided to close the, maybe that was his last, he didn't have any more left. Okay, anyways, he's tired. So do you want, so what I did with that Eric and Colani, I told them, how can I teach with you giving me so many points? And he says, so tell me, give me 1 point, and pause, and then say, give me the next point. Did you leave it outside? This is not his number, 786? I mean, it's not his number. This is it, 786. You want me to put it in my box or no? Can I put this back in the fridge?
Yes. No, it's fine. As long as it's stay like this.
But I think, but they said that they checked something in the box. They sent the thing that we did something, so they may have done something too. Who knows? Okay, you wanna finish up here?
I finished, now I'm going to do another one.
I
You
thought
want
you
to
just,
help me or you want to tell it?
do you want me to help you now, or do you want me to work on my,
I want you to learn to use it, so So
Okay, so this is how I
but
did
you're
it.
too stupid to retain the steps.
No, it's not the
The
steps.
problem is that you cannot use the same number and keep using it the way that I do. You understand? And you need the Chat GPT to mitigate him. When he hears Chat GPT, you can do other things. Let them converse with each other. That's the whole point. You
Oh, not
understand?
to converse with him.
Once in a blue moon, but the whole idea that you don't understand is to enable you to take a break and then comment on it with the students and let them use it. And tell them that after they use it, if they don't want to pay, they can rotate the emails among the group and converse between them and the group, and two different Kolani is much better than Chat GPT.
In terms of understanding you.
Not only that, he can talk about something coherently, and she just bullshits with all kinds of nonsense out of control.
Right.
And 50 times you have to tell her, deep six, and she still doesn't understand.
And then she could do something wrong.
Yes. But I want to work with you, and instead of trashing me and interrupting and doing everything that you can to sabotage it.
Oh, so you see, I wanted to work. I thought the idea was even to work with them, that he ends up doing like he basically has like an open hose and makes 6 points.
Fine, so you have to discuss it with him and learn about how to
So he said,
talk effectively.
So-
But you have to do it over time. Lazy
Right.
and stupid doesn't work.
okay, so I am lazy and stupid. So what can we do? Get another
So,
person?
No, you have to get experience. Don't touch the mouse and mess up my setup.
So you just said lazy and stupid doesn't work, but
Yes,
you said
so
on
you have,
that.
if you are lazy and stupid,
Okay.
you have to spend extra time.
No, you
If
said
you are
lazy.
a genius, maybe 5 seconds and you are done. If not, you take the time. Nobody tells you to do it tomorrow or
All
right
right.
now.
Okay.
But you have to give it the time of the day, which you don't. Let me move to another account.
So out of him it was, well, did he at least improve it? Is that what you wanted to say?
I think that they improved it and they did something to the line. You understand?
But when he came in, it was fuzzy, and then when is it all of a sudden now get better?
Yeah, because he sent them a text and they did something.
Oh,
You understand?
what did he text him?
I don't know. He was fooling around with his phone all the time. He didn't do it to impress me.
Did he tell you what he was doing?
No. But he said I was checking the line. And the line now is good. And
Well, you didn't want to show him that you had another TV.
no, because then he bothers me with other people.
Let me go and check to see if the other TV's working.
Never had the problem.
No, but you never know that they may have
Don't know and don't bullshit. Come here and I'll make another appointment with him. Come here and learn something already. Scatter mind and 50 different things. Learn to talk to the AI. And help me navigate this. I'm telling you what to say, and you have to know the details. I cannot be there all the time by your side.
I don't want you to.
But you don't do the job.
Don't yell at me. Don't raise your voice. I
Raise
hear
my
you.
voice, raise your voice. All garbage, but no cigar.
Okay, so it's no
Learn
cigar.
to use
So it's
AI.
no cigar. So it'll be the next time. It'll be
Next
the
time, I'm prepared next time, but you have to go for it.
Don't yell at me.
Yell at you, smell at you, garbage and nonsense. So I'm saving the record for the Pissar. Don't play with your phone.
I'm making another video.
Let me finish.
then he says, okay, how about let's do HDMI? And then he says too far. So if I do this, oh, just, how does it look?
Turn it off. It's perfect. They don't tell you what they're doing in the back there.
So,
All
but,
kinds of bullshit.
so sometimes they check the line and make a
Yeah.
stronger line when you call them. Is that it?
Navigate. Boom. My camera. Record video. Okay, so help me and repeat what I say and try to learn it. Let me move this camera forward.
And you need this in there?
Don't worry about this and that and garbage. Focus on one thing and learn one thing at a time. Glue it. So I updated the version to E
Okay.
from the previous version of D.
Put the time,
And now I'm
3:45.
going to put the time
Change to
from
3:03.
3:03,
Keep the 3 because it's still 3.
3.44. Don't worry about 44, and then delete. The problem with the mouse, it doesn't work well. You understand? Now, I'm going to copy the pshar.exe path. Repeat the
You copy the psr.exe path
to the clipboard buffer.
to the clipboard buffer, and then you're going to move your cursor to the beginning of the file name string, first
At the
position.
beginning, left mouse click, it marks the entire space. What
Mark
should
it.
I do again?
Now you're going to right click,
No, left click.
left click.
What's the difference between right click and left click?
Left click, you want to insert what's in the buffer first.
No, I want to focus the cursor on the current cursor position and not the entire field.
Right. No, not the entire string. So you want to, you want to go back.
And now it marked.
No, it marked the third position.
No, you don't understand how a cursor works.
The cursor is blinking at the dash.
The dash is the next position. It shows you the next position. The current position is the 2.
Yeah, but you don't want
Do
to
you understand?
You don't want to overwrite the 2. You want to be
I'm
before.
not overwriting the 2. I will insert it right here and it will insert it before the 2. Do you understand the
Let's-
cursor?
Let's
You have
see.
to understand basics like a cursor.
I don't think you're
Right mouse click and paste. You understand? Now that I put the pisser.exe, I have to go to the beginning of the string to see if it copied the entire string, which it did not.
Right. I told you it
You
didn't.
didn't. So I mark it again, go back,
And you see it took off the 2?
fine. I mark it
It-
again and I
no.
put 1,
No, but it's not
And now-
1. It's not a 1. It's the date is February 2.
so 2.
It
2
overwrote
and
it.
delete.
It overwrote the 2.
Fine. So now I go to the very end, and
No,
now
no.
right mouse click
Well, that's a better place because you were at the dash. You
and
weren't
paste,
Paste.
and now backslash.
Yes. And now you're at the right position. It was highlighting the
Fine.
dash.
Fine.
So I was correct.
So you were correct. Fine.
Right. So you said you don't know what a
Okay,
cursor
next,
does.
tell me next what to do.
Okay, next you want to then basically, don't you want to highlight that entire, go back,
What keystrokes will I do?
go back up here. Click on it. Now go back to the file name.
Tell me what keystroke to
Click.
do.
Left click.
Left click
And then copy. Right. You
And
were-
what now?
And now you want to look at the cursor. You see where the cursor is blinking?
What
After
keystroke
the
to
M.
do? Tell me first the keystroke.
You've put that in, right click,
No,
save. Click save.
click save. That's all. No right click and no mess.
But I wanted to show you that you were incorrect.
Don't show me
right?
anything. Get
Why
the job
not?
done.
Why not?
Because you don't know what you're talking
Mm,
about,
give you-
and
I
I
get-
cannot
no,
handle
no.
any more
I know what
trash
I'm
talk.
talking. I know what
So
I'm
tell
talking.
me what's next.
You click save.
What click? Left or right?
Left.
And what next?
You want to paste it in your notepad.
No. You want to click review additional details.
Oh, you don't like
Why?
You want to see how many steps you did.
That's right. And what should I do next?
Scroll up till you see the last.
How many steps was
Step
it?
1.
That's right. What should I do next?
Save.
No. New recording. And then next.
Add a comment.
And a comment. And what should be in the comment?
A cursor should be blinking.
Paste and enter. And
Okay.
examining. You
No.
should have a path, the sar.txt, and the file name separated by a backslash.
You're incorrect. Why
And
can't
then
you
you
say
click
you're
OK.
incorrect?
Garbage and nonsense I
No.
don't need. Get the job done
No,
with.
no.
And edit, paste,
I said edit paste.
and enter.
All right.
And now that I finished with that, I have to take on another number. You understand?
Yeah.
By so doing, I finish with the current problem. What should I do next to retrieve another number that will expire within 30 days?
Open your Gmail.
So I'm going back to my Gmail,
Okay.
and I'm selecting this Gmail account,
Right.
and I want to take the next line that is up for deletion, and click on it. You understand? Then I highlight it, right mouse click and what?
Copy.
Copy to the clipboard buffer. Say that.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
And then place it in my notes.
Right in your notes.
And do what now?
Right click paste.
Right click paste. And what's the next thing?
Next, you want to delete that. You said you deleted that.
Right. Delete the one that is telling you
Right. To
that
summarize.
it will be deleted. And next,
Next, you want to go to another tab of.
no.
You want to copy that one
Copy
job.
to the clipboard buffer. So when you go there, you can type it in. I'm holding the shift key, and I hit the right arrow because
No,
the
you're
mouse
pressing.
is
You're not
go-
hitting anything.
Mouse is not go. So I mark the entire thing. What should I do next?
Go up to edit,
Edit,
copy.
copy,
Right.
and what next?
Now go up to another, not that same one. Go up to another tab of not
So
that
I'm
one.
finding another
Gmail.
inbox
Right.
of another Gmail account.
Right.
And what should I do next?
Now you want to go all the way down
Scroll all the way down, and then
add another account.
next.
And now you want to go down.
It's all the time the same. There's nothing to look.
Use another. Use
That's
another
right.
account.
And what I'm doing after that?
Paste.
Tell me keystroke, not garbage.
I'm not telling you garbage. I'm telling you
Place
paste.
the keystroke, the cursor in the email or phone
Right
input
click.
field
Right
in
click.
the sign-in
Right
dialog.
right click.
Right
that's
click
what-
and do what?
Paste. Click.
Paste.
Not click paste.
What next?
And now one job really is good. Now say next.
Next. What's next?
Next is you go to another one and say next.
What's next?
We'll have to wait. And then you want, it's asking you
That's good
your
enough.
recovery. You want that
Save,
recovered?
yeah.
Okay.
What's
Okay,
next?
not now.
What's next?
I don't know. We have to wait.
Delete the garbage emails. Select all of them. Delete all of them.
Okay.
And then
Now you want to go to the waffle.
waffle. And
And
then
then
what?
go down to voice
Go down to voice.
with the phone.
Click on the voice.
And now you see January 10th. You see that?
Yes.
So it's 30 days?
It doesn't matter. This is garbage. Inbound. Inbound
Oh,
garbage.
Okay.
You
So
have to
November
look at the
20
outbound.
November 24th.
How do you know to differentiate between in and outbound?
One has the arrow going down and the other one has the arrow going up.
And the colors are different too. You understand
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
So how do I delete this spam?
Okay. Basically highlight it.
How
Click
should-
left. Left click.
No.
Yes.
No way. No.
No.
You have to hold down the shift key first.
And what happens if you click on it?
Nothing. then you mark
No,
it.
no, it's marked. You just press the
Tell me
no
how
garbage.
I marked it. I'm going to unmark it, and you'll tell me how I mark it, okay?
Just do the
Garbage doesn't work.
Garbage does work. That garbage can't
It
work.
does not work.
It does. I'll press it and I'll show you
Don't press
do it.
nothing.
Well, why not?
Why
You-
not? Because that's where you are.
No, I'll show you when I
Don't
press.
show me
Why?
anything.
You don't. Where are you
Tell
going?
me exactly what to do. Tell me what to do
Okay.
to delete this.
Okay, I think you can do it another way. I'll
Don't-
show you.
Another way
I-
with the keystrokes. I need
I'm
to
doing-
record the keystroke, not with tabs. If the keystroke doesn't work,
So
you
you're
want to
saying
record keystroke. You
you want to do
understand?
shift. You want to do shift. Okay. You want to do shift.
So do shift.
And then I'm going to press the delete right
Fine,
here.
press the delete.
And delete.
Delete again. Fine. Now you finish. What
Why
next?
didn't it delete?
Because you didn't do a proper job, like I told you.
Why?
You have to click on delete. You didn't click on delete.
Oh, you didn't click on create. Your cursor was
Okay,
two
let's not
spaces wasted.
time
And
on
you
this
said you
one.
don't
Let's
know
go.
anything.
Next
And what
step.
about these?
These leave them alone. These are the old quotes that I made the
No,
Quran.
no, they're messages that people think.
No messages. This is me. These are all outbound quotes to Quran.
Messages?
No messages, just outbound quotes.
No, it isn't. This is spam. Why make up stories? This is spam. You don't see this is spam?
No.
924 is your verification code. And then this is basically you want to then delete this. And you want these voice messages here? These are voice messages you left, okay?
So leave them there.
Okay, fine, okay. Now you see, the last one it got, 640 was working here. See September, November, July, May,
The Google changed their
their policies.
What's next?
Now you want to make 100, 800 ChatGPT. You want to make a
Right.
call out.
No, I don't want to type it. I want you to copy it from the existing list. Think about programming it all, you understand? So everything will be in a spreadsheet or a folder like
Right.
that. All you need is the macro to do copy to the clipboard buffer first. Let's go. And then paste it in the calling area.
But I don't see the ChatGPT number here.
800 ChatGPT. I
Where?
put the cursor for you.
I didn't see it, okay?
Don't see? Eyes you have.
No,
Go edit copy to the clipboard buffer.
no, I'm just copying it like this.
Fine, like this, like that. Who gives a damn?
Well, you're making such a big
Go
deal.
back to the field and paste it. Don't call yet. Get now Kolani to work. Go back to Kolani.
Okay.
Select another option. There are 3 of them there.
What
Check
three?
it. Move away. Click on it. Move to Kolani.
Hello.
Click on it. Let them start talking to each other.
Please specify the topic or question you would like to discuss
Hi,
further.
I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy.
Talk to them.
It seems like you're introducing a topic about an AI assistant called Cat. Could you clarify what specific information or assistance you need regarding Cat?
It seems like you got cut off. Could you repeat that, please?
Please specify the topic or question you would like to discuss regarding Cat or any other subject.
You mentioned ChatGPT. What would you like to know about it?
I can provide information about CHAP's features, applications, or technical details. Please specify what you're interested in.
Applications.
Great. ChatGPT is a versatile AI. It can assist with answering questions, providing explanations, brainstorming ideas, and even offering emotional support. What specific application are you interested in?
Chat can be applied in various domains such as customer support, content creation, educational assistance, and personal productivity. Please specify which application you would like to explore further.
Sounds like you're interested in knowing how ChatGPT can be applied in different domains. Which area would you like to explore first?
Business.
Please specify the area of application you would like to
In
explore first,
education.
such as customer support, education, content creation, or another domain. In business, chat can be utilized for 1. Automating responses to common inquiries, providing 24/7 assistance and handling basic troubleshooting. 2. Generating marketing copy, social media posts, and product descriptions. 3. Summarizing reports and extracting insights from data. 4. Assisting in employee training by answering questions and providing resources. 5. Creating concise summaries of meetings or discussions. If you need more details on any specific application, let me know.
Great. So ChatGPT can be quite handy in the business realm. Is there a specific application you'd like more details on?
AI assistants. Agents.
AI assistants and agents in business serve various functions. 1. Help with scheduling reminders and task management. 2. Handle inquiries, complaints, and provide product information through chatbots or voice interfaces. 3. Engage with potential customers, qualify leads, and provide information about products or services. 4. Automate repetitive tasks related to data handling and organization. 5. Gather and analyze customer feedback and market trends to inform business strategies. If you need more specifics on any of these roles, let me know.
That's a solid overview of what ChatGPT can do in a business context. If you need more information on any of these roles, feel free to ask.
What about education?
If you have any specific
How can an instructor
in education,
how can an instructor use AI bots in teaching a class together, co-teaching, professor and AI bot? Any ideas?
An AI bot could assist a professor by providing supplementary explanations, answering routine questions, and offering additional examples during lessons. It could also help in grading assignments, providing feedback, and even conducting quizzes or practice sessions. What do you think of this idea?
Great. Give me an example using AI technology. Make up a question, multiple choice question on open source AI bots.
You're talking about AI tools like ChatGPT. It could generate multiple choice questions, provide detailed explanations, and offer personalized learning experiences. What are your thoughts on using? Absolutely. AI can make learning more interactive and personalized. It can adapt to each student's pace, provide instant feedback, and offer a wide range of resources. It's like having a personal tutor available anytime. What do you think?
What are you doing?
Not doing it.
Talk to it.
It's-
Chat.
You wanted them to chat with each other.
But you have to get them going. You have to give them something to talk about.
I did. Give me examples on how.
So if they don't
Chatbots.
understand it, you have to make a discussion, not chit chat trash all the time. Just move on. Not do the good job. You don't understand it.
Absolutely.
Okay? So what kind of applications can we use for an instructor teaching IT?
For an instructor AI bot, you could use platforms like educational chatbots, AI tutoring systems, or learning management systems with AI integration. These can help in creating interactive lessons, quizzes, and providing instant feedback. Have you tried any of these before?
Give me an example. Teaching a business class, teaching information technology. Give me a specific instance on how I could use it.
Sure. Let's say you're teaching information technology. The AI bot could introduce a topic like cybersecurity. It could then pose a multiple choice question about common security threats. After students respond, the AI could explain the correct answer and spark a discussion on how to protect against such threats. What do you think?
Why don't you do it now? Come up with cybersecurity, come up with a multiple choice question, and let's see what you come up with.
Sure. Here's a question. Which of the following is a common method cyber attackers use to gain access to a system? A. Phishing. B. Brute force attack. C. Social engineering. D. All of the above. What's your answer?
My answer is I'm not sure. Can you explain each of the basically options, what it means? For instance, explain what phishing is, explain what brute force is, explain what social engineering is.
Sure. Phishing is when attackers trick people into providing sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. Brute force attack involves trying many passwords or phrases until the correct one is found. Social engineering manipulates people into divulging confidential information. So the answer is D, all of the above.
Start again, yeah. One other, open a new tab. See, this tab is gone,
Yeah.
this one is gone, and this one, you start here.
So, how can I use? Oh, you're gonna pick. So, how can I use a chat GPT or another bot to teach IT for undergraduate business students? Along with a professor, I want the chat GPT or another AI bot to teach along with me. Any ideas? And give me specific examples in IT for business.
Sure.
To use
In an
chat or another
IT
AI
for
bot as a teaching assistant for IT and undergraduate business courses, consider the following ideas. 1. Use the AI to answer students' questions in real time during lectures. For example, if discussing database management, students can ask about SQL queries, and the AI can provide examples or explanations. 2. Integrate AI to analyze real-world IT business scenarios. For instance, present a case study on a company's digital transformation, and the AI can help students brainstorm solutions or analyze outcomes. 3. Create simulations where students interact with the AI as a virtual consultant. For example, students could use the AI to develop a marketing strategy using data analytics tools. 4. If teaching programming or software development, the AI can provide coding help. For instance, students can ask for help with Python scripts used for data analysis. 5. Use the AI to generate discussion topics or questions related to IT trends, such as cybersecurity threats or cloud computing benefits, fostering class engagement. 6. The AI can provide initial feedback on students' projects or papers, helping them refine their work before submission. 7. The AI can suggest articles, videos, or tools relevant to course topics, such as ERP systems or project management software. By integrating an AI bot in these ways, you can enhance the learning experience, provide instant support, and encourage active participation among students.
By integrating an AI bot in these ways, you can enhance the learning experience, provide instant support, and encourage active participation among students.
Correct. By leveraging an AI bot in your teaching approach, You can create a more dynamic and interactive classroom environment. This not only facilitates immediate assistance, but also promotes student engagement and deeper understanding of IT concepts relevant to their business studies. If you need further details on any specific example or implementation strategy, let me know.
Using an AI bot in your class can create a more dynamic, interactive environment. It not only facilitates immediate assistance, but also promotes student engagement and deeper understanding of IT concepts relevant to their business studies. If you need further details on any specific example, your implementation strategy, let me know.
Here are some specific implementation strategies for integrating an AI bot into your IT class. 1. Set up a platform like Slack or Discord where students can pose questions during lectures. While discussing cloud computing, students can ask the AI about different cloud service models, YAS, PAS, SAS, and the AI provides concise definitions and examples. 2. Assign group projects where students must use the AI to gather data or insights. Students could analyze the impact of social media on business performance, using the AI to pull relevant statistics and case studies. 3. Host workshops where students practice coding or data analysis with the AI providing guidance. In a workshop on data visualization, students can ask the AI for tips on using tools like Tableau or Power BI, receiving step-by-step instructions. 4. Use the AI to provide preliminary feedback on assignments. Students submit their business analysis reports, and the AI offers suggestions for improvement on structure, clarity, and data interpretation. 5. Initiate discussions by having the AI pose thought-provoking questions. After a lecture on cybersecurity, the AI could ask, what are the ethical implications of data privacy in business? Prompting student debate. 6. Create a resource library where the AI suggests articles, videos, and tools based on course topics. When covering e-commerce, the AI could recommend case studies on successful online businesses, helping students explore real-world applications. These strategies can help maximize the educational impact of using an AI bot in your classroom, fostering a collaborative and engaging learning environment. If you require more details on any specific strategy, feel free to ask.
So now I want to go to my,
Thanks for chatting. Goodbye.
fine, that was 13 minutes. Understand? So now I want to go to my drive. Edit
You want to go to your drive. You want to go to new folder upload,
file upload.
not folder upload.
Paste the file name in the back. And then open.
It says not there. File could not be found.
Try to make it see what interfered with it. This mouse is messed up, so I'll put it for you. You won't have it. You want to scroll to the left, save it.
Scroll all the way to the left, go to new, the plus sign new, file upload. You're pasting it. And now keep both files
Why?
because you want it to, in case for backup and recovery.
No.
What's the reason?
The reason is I use different computers.
Okay,
So for every computer, there's a different path
Okay.
depending on the user.
okay.
Like in this case, for example, the user is SRush.
Oh, and sometimes they
And
rush.
the other computer user is S.rushing.
Okay.
So depending on who is the user that is currently logged in, you
Okay,
understand
yeah.
it? So explain it to me.
Do you
Why
have,
do you need both of them?
because it's coming from different, it's coming from different users. It could even come from different users within the same computer.
That's right. You want to back it up.
Coming on that.
You have the current user and other users or other computers, whatever it is.
It's okay. So you want to do another one? I'm going to make something to eat.
So now that I got that, I'm marking
Right.
X before the path
Yeah.
with the speed.
But you've used
And
it.
underneath it, I put the number 1 and
Good
uploaded
job.
one folder, one file. And now the next one is listed here. So I'm going to upload the entire subfolder. What is the subfolder?
One job reality. One Job Realty is your subfolder.
Read the entire fucking subfolder and explain to me what it is.
Well, it depends on which one. It's C users, SRush documents, \1, open paren, job, close paren, e-realty, add, and there's the phone number.
What is this phone number represent?
Is basically going to be a vanity number.
It spell what words?
It spells job, e-realty.
What's the one in front of job?
It's US.
Why is there a one in front of job? Second time.
Why is there a 1?
Yeah.
Because that represents when you're dialing out, it represents the United States.
No.
Why?
It's because job e-realty was not available.
Oh, okay.
I explained to you that there is a woman that, or a realtor that his name is Jabi,
Oh,
and his company name is Jabi Realty.
Job.
Understand? J-O-B-E. Like
Job.
Jabi or Joe B or whatever it is.
Job.
Doesn't matter.
Job. Pronounce
Now going back, there is an S-Rush. Where is this S-Rush coming from?
from username.
Folder upload. What should I do now? Right mouse click
And paste it.
and paste. What is it?
That's going to be the job, one job e-realty 5 files to this side. So click upload.
What's next?
Keep both folders.
What's next?
Upload. Click.
What's next?
Check to make sure
Go
it's
back to the notes.
and paste it.
Place, move away. Place an X and a space D, meaning that you have uploaded it already because of your BOA already.
Because of my BOA.
So you put the space, and I overrode the C, so you put back the C, and you put back the colon.
The colon's there.
Okay, now we marked it, and then you check to see how many files were uploaded. So 5,
3 uploads complete, it says, and 5 of 5.
okay. Now we're putting 5 to indicate that there's 5
Files.
files here. And we finish with this, and the next one is the what? The Google Voice. Move away, please. Thank you. Shift and right arrow to mark in spam. That's
No,
good.
that's not good. You have to start at the C.
Oops.
You have to start at the C. Because of my BOA, you missed
Yes.
it?
Please move away.
It's my BOA.
I didn't need space. Well, okay, so now I'm done with everything, and I'm too tired. I have the beauty here that couldn't believe it, you know. Understand what it is, press record. Click the press the record button. Then the press video button. It's too difficult and complicated. Trying to follow. Flick, fly, flick. Fly. Okay, so now I want to wrap up everything. I want to check the room still working. I don't know because I don't see the room counter, so it's probably stopped working. Go to the room here. Here's webcam.